Now this is how you can place a modern Subaru in front-wheel drive only. Now this happens to be a 2010 Impreza. Chances are you need or you want to do this to see if you have an issue regarding torque bind. And this vehicle does have that issue. And I'll go into a separate video regarding how to test it and how to resolve the issue. But today, very fast video, how do you do this? So take a look at the fuse panel. Third one down, AWD. And that stands for obviously front wheel drive. So what you're going to do is place a fuse in that location. Now you do need a mini fuse, okay, something small. You may have a spare one underneath the fuse panel and the relay panel. I'll show you a different shot right here. You may have a spare fuse in this location, but nonetheless, if you don't, your local auto parts store, Amazon, they all have them. And right here is the location. So let's go ahead and insert it. Okay, now let's start the vehicle. Now when you start the vehicle, you'll notice a little dash light for the all-wheel drive system. And that's going to stay on until the fuse is removed. But now, you're just running front-wheel drive only.